Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really quick DIY video of how you can update any denim jacket that you may have laying around the house. This is a picture of the jacket I was inspired by. It's from a store called Akira. So as you can see, it's just a regular old oversized denim jacket that I had, and it was already kind of torn at the top, but I really didn't want to throw it away, so I decided to update it a little bit. So the first thing I did was I cut out the top panel completely. Hopefully you're using a bigger pair of scissors than I was. I could not find my scissors anywhere for some reason at this time. So the next thing that I decided to do was cut out around the pockets, being sure not to cut the actual pocket. Next I cut slits in the back and then I threw it in the washer and dryer. And here's the fabric I'm using. It's just some tule that I got out of the clearance section at Joann's for like $2.50, I believe. They have stuff like that over there all the time. So the first thing I'm going to do is pin the fabric along the edge of the denim jacket and sew. And now, because I did use the tool, I'm just going to sew along the middle part so I create a seam to keep it all together. Obviously, if you use regular fabric, you can skip this step. So this is what it looked like once I got done sewing it all together. That's from the back. And then this is from the front. So then the last part obviously is just kind of repeating the steps for the pockets. This is where I'm sewing along the seams that are kind of already there where they're thicker, so I can go through without the thread showing through all the way to the other side of the jacket. Then I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I'm going to fit my fabric. Pin it in place. And then sew. There you have it, guys. Obviously there's an endless amount of ways you can get creative. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And to everyone that has subscribed already, thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video, and remember to live life luscious every day.